Hey, nature lovers, winter is here, bringing cozy mornings, steaming chai, and the perfect time to grow your own healthy veggies. Did you know that winter gardening not only saves money but also gives you the freshest produce right from your backyard? Stay tuned as we explore the top 10 vegetables to grow this winter. First up, spinach, a true winter superfood packed with iron and vitamins. It thrives in cool weather and can be harvested multiple times. Fresh palak is perfect for salads, curries, and soups. Next, the crunchy and colorful carrots. They love cold soil, but remember, loose, well drained soil helps them grow straight and sweet. A winter favorite for soups and snacks. Kale, the winter superstar. Its flavor turns even sweeter after a light frost. Loaded with nutrients, it's great for smoothies, salads, or stir fries. Definitely a must have this season. Who doesn't love a hearty cabbage dish in winter? Cabbage thrives in chilly weather and can handle light frost easily. Plus, it's a super versatile from parathas to pickles. Broccoli grows beautifully in winter and is rich in antioxidants. With enough sunlight and space, you'll get tight, tasty heads perfect for roasts, soups, and stir fries. Garlic. Garlic is your easy, no fuss crop. Just plant it and let it grow through winter, ready to harvest by spring. Its flavor elevates every dish and it's incredibly easy to maintain. Beets love the cold soil. Both the roots and greens are packed with nutrients. Add them to your salads to make fresh beetroot juice that's healthy and vibrant. Want a quick harvest? Lettuce is your go to. Hardy varieties like romaine and butterhead grow fast and stay crisp even in cold weather. Fresh salads all winter long. Radishes are the speed champions of winter veggies, ready in just 3 to 4 weeks. They add a peppery crunch to any salad or snack. And finally, peas. These sweet pods love cool weather. Give them a trellis to climb and they'll reward you with a bounty of fresh, tasty peas. Use mulch to keep the soil warm. Protect plants with row covers or clutches during heavy frost. Water sparingly but regularly, even in the cold. With these simple tricks, your winter garden will stay green and thriving. Winter gardening is not just rewarding, it's a pure joy. You get fresh, organic veggies and a dash of green to brighten the cold days. So why wait? Start your winter garden today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your garden loving friends, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more farming tips and inspiration.